Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video we're going to teach you step by step how you can make a workspace member on Slack an admin, or to assign admin role to a member really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So if you're curious, make sure you drop a like, and now let us jump right into this tutorial. So head over to Slack, enter the workspace you would like to customize and edit by selecting it here in the top left corner. So I'm going to customize that workspace. And what you want to do after that is access your workspace's settings. To do that, click on the workspace name here and hover your mouse over Tools and Settings from the drop-down menu, and here to the right, select Workspace Settings. That is going to open up your admin settings in a new tab. So what you want to do here, guys, is simply click on that button here at the top. You can also manage members and roles, so click on it, and that is going to redirect you to the members management tool here in your workspace. So here you see the list of all workspace members, including you as the owner. So simply pick the user you would like to give admin rights by clicking on these three dots next to the username, and after that select change account type from the drop-down menu. This is going to open up that menu here, so you can change the given user's account type and switch from regular member, for example, to guest, or to workspace admin or workspace owner. Of course, so select workspace admin. Don't forget to confirm your changes by clicking on that save button here in the bottom right corner, and that is going to give the given user admin rights and permissions in your workspace. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.